Hmm. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so last class what we are doing, Rasul, Praharshan.
Sir, probability.
Acha, हाँ, probability we are doing. All right. So,
Sir, actually, like I got a probability question.
हाँ,
In that, they asked us to find in a pack there is 52 cards, and in that, if there is one card drawn out, what is the probability of that card being a red face card?
red spade card.
Red face card.
Acha, the face card. How many face cards are there? Total face
It's
cards.
total, so there are 12 face cards, including red and black, and red has 6 face cards.
That's true. Over. That's it only. That is the only answer.
But like it has the probability of getting the red face card. If one card is being pulled out from the pack, what is the probability of getting a red face card?
So what you have written? 6 by 52, right? So 3 by
That,
26.
that option was not only there, sir.
Option was not there.
No, sir.
If you share the question with me, then I'll let you know just what exactly the thing they have asked.
Yes, sir. I'll just do that.
Hmm. One minute. Just all of you on the camera, children, now. All of you on the camera. I can see Rasul, Praharshan, Javian, Adarsh.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
Good evening. See WhatsApp message पढ़े थे. Okay, next question is which option is correct over here in this question? See the question here. Why it's not coming here on the board?
Sir, I sent you the question in the WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, I'll check.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the question. Two different dice are thrown together. What is the probability that number obtained is a doublet of odd numbers? $47 for Javian, right?
Yes, sir.
They have asked only face card, not red face card.
Sir, I asked ma'am said that they're talking about red color, so you'll have to find the red face card.
No. Here is face card means you should how in question they have made in face card and how you should write red face card.
Sir, I left that and I attempted the other four, sir.
Acha, attempt to the other four. We should do only
Yes,
four,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Acha. No. Face card means you should do any face card, not this red face card only. Face
Okay.
card means that only will come. How many face card are there?
There are 12 face cards, sir.
The 12 by 52. That's it. That is the only answer, Javian.
Okay, sir.
12 by 52. So 6, 26. Then you can do, right? 3, 13. So D is the option. D option is there.
Yes, sir. 3 by 13.
Yeah. Rate face card means the option will not match only, doesn't, right?
Yes, sir.
6 by 52. So 3 by 26. There is no option. So rate first card will not be there. So rest all 4 are correct. No, you have matched, right?
Yes, sir. Rest all have matched.
Okay. So overall paper was good, no?
Yes, sir. Overall, the paper was good.
So any doubts you are getting in these papers? If you are having doubt, you can just send me. I'll solve the questions over here.
Okay, sir.
So this answer, tell me, Praharshan, what is answer for this? Samarth, on your camera, Samarth, Javian, and Adarsh. Just Ajay, two children has messaged already, right? Adarsh have messaged. Okay, fine, Adarsh. What is the answer for this? Samarth, Rasool, 295.
I am getting it as 3 by 36. Sir.
3 by 36 means 1 by 12, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 by 12, there is no options are given.
Yeah.
That's why I was saying.
Anybody else? Whatever the answer you are getting, just tell me the message on the chat box. So whatever the answer you are getting.
Sir, I got 3 by 30. So doublet means having the both the same number.
Doublet means both same number, yes.
Oh,
Two different dice are thrown together. What is the probability that number obtained is a doublet of odd numbers? Doublet of
3
odd,
by 36.
3 by 36. 1 by 12 only will get, right?
1 by 2. Yeah.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
How 3 by 36?
Doublet means, 1, 1, 2, 2 like that. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. So here doublet of odd numbers. The odd number is this only, no? This is the odd number, right?
And 1 is not odd, no?
1 and 1 is not odd number.
Sir, it's not considered as even or odd.
That is, you are talking about prime and you are just confusing in prime and composite, I think. Drishi?
Oh, yeah, sir. Sorry, sir.
So 1, 1, 3, 3, and 5, 5. So options are 3 by 36 and 1 by 12. Here there is no option. One answer what they have given here. Okay, next question is, this is easy question. 5 will not come either type. You have done did this. You asked the Samar this question. It is clear to you now.
Yes. That's clear.
5 will not come either time, right? That we have done also,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Next question is, that not a perfect square. What do you unbiased coins?
Means both are the two sides are head and tail. Not both are not both sides.
There is no cheating. Like Sakuni, you know Sakuni.
Sukuni?
yes, sir.
Sakuni was there is Mahabharata. No, you know that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What he wants to bring, no, that number only will come in that Ludo part. What number he needs, that number he'll bring off. Like that he was mama of these people, no, like Pandavas.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So he made lose all of the thing, no. So like that. So he was doing biasing, means something he was doing, people not get to know only what is going to come next.
Sir, the biased coin was in Sole picture. It was shown.
Acha. Biased is nothing but cheating, like you are doing biasing with me or something like that, right? Impurities, if you go in electronics, if you are going to read, then biased means impurity,
Then
biasing.
that will be B, no, sir.
What?
Then the answer will be B.
B.
Yes, sir.
So what all the answers is mentioned over here? 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 8, and what is that?
8 by 8.
8
Sir,
by
it's
8.
at least 2 hertz, right?
At least 2 heads, yes.
Okay.
1 minute. Control plus if I do.
So the options are 5 by 8, 8 by 8, 1 by 2, and 1 by 4.
Leave the answer part. Which answer is correct? Try to tell me. I also can't see properly. I think 3 by 8 is that. I don't think it's 8 by 8 because 8 by 8 means 1 they will might have given. Is 3 by 8.
Sir, I
No, sir,
also think it's 3 by
it has the stroke of 8, sir.
Uh,
It's got the stroke of 8.
3 by 8. Answer is 3 by 8. That is on this one's 5 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 2, and 1 by 4. Answer the 4 answers are like this. This is 5 by 8, 3 by
Sir,
8.
it's 3 by 8, sir. I just checked.
It's 3 by 8, no?
Yes.
Hmm.
Sir, B option.
3 unbiased, how to write? What is the total number of outcome? How you are writing total number of outcome, Javian?
I just did a random guess, sir. Like you said, unbiased means cheating, no, sir. So, like, he can put as many numbers of head he wants or tail.
No, this is unbiased. Means perfect. They won't give biased coins in probability for you people. And never they give. Actually, they will write unbiased for formality. Actually, they should give biased and the coins. That's it enough. This is not required to write because the coins they will not will write like this. Okay, only for
Okay,
formality
sir.
they
I
are
got
giving
option C.
1 by 2. Hmm? Javian, how to write the this one outcome only? I'm not asking this one which is favorable. Which
The outcome, so you write 4 head, 4 tail, and then you write head, 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 then tail, 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 like that, sir.
no, for head and for tail we should write first. After this,
After this, sir, second thing you write head, head,
hmm.
tail, tail, tail. Then on this you write head, head, tail, tail.
See,
Then
first total outcome is 8. First line 8 will come, right? The 4 head,
yes,
4
sir.
tail,
I am
2.
getting 1 by 2, sir.
Acha, one. Let me check. So this is head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and head, tail, right?
Yes, sir.
So here at least a 2 head means this may be 2 head or 3 head, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 2 head, 3 head, 2 head, 2 head, and that's it, I think. So 4. Huh?
Sir, you selected all 2 tails. It's asking 2 heads.
Yes, sir.
3 head also can be possible. A 2, 3 head is this one will come. No, the answer is 5 by 8, not A option. This is wrong. A option
Sir,
is
you have actually
5 by 8.
picked a triple tail, sir.
what happened?
You have picked the last option also, sir.
Last option.
At least
Sir, you're doing good one. The fifth one,
sir, the
See,
first option is the
children, why it's I can listen slowly. Why? 1 minute, children. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Why it's stucking somewhere? 1 minute. 1. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell what you're saying.
Sir, I'm saying that it told us to find two heads, so we are taking two tails also.
Yeah.
See, in question they have given at least 2 heads. Means
Yes, sir.
so minimum
So
2
then
head.
the last option should not be there, right? Sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
The
you
second
have
last, the
the
three
last second
Acha,
option
acha,
because
हाँ,
there are
lastly
two
is
tails,
really.
right?
yes, this is not there. 4 by 8. Yes,
You have done
correct.
just the opposite of it. Please
Mhm.
change it.
And the second last one as well.
Second one last is correct, no?
It will be 3/8
How?
only, no, sir.
See, 2 tail is there, no, here. Samarth, see, question is at least 2 head, means minimum 2 heads should come.
Yeah.
So here 2 heads are there in the second last, right?
No,
There are
sir.
two
That is
tails, right?
tail head.
Arey, हाँ. Head we should see,
That's
not
what I
tail,
was.
right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, and
Okay.
how it is coming 1/2, sir?
See,
1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3, 4, right?
Sir, it
Yeah.
says at
That
least 2 means only like, okay.
At least means minimum 2, maximum 3.
No, sir, I actually got confused. Like in my question paper, there was the same question, but it said exact 2
Exactly.
heads.
Exactly means easier.
Exactly 2 heads.
Exactly become easier question.
Yes, sir.
exactly means 3/8 only.
Hmm. E-
Then, sir, it is 1/2 only, sir.
hmm. This all questions are easy only. 1 not 1.
Sir,
Huh.
Sir, there is
Sir,
this question. Two friends were born in the year 2000.
1 minute. Someone before someone was telling something. Who was that?
Me,
sir,
sir.
me, Rasul.
Rasul, tell me.
Sir, I posted a doubt in the chat.
In a chat you are supposed to. Okay, fine. I'll just check. Tell me what you are saying.
Me, sir.
Now you tell.
Sir, like in my question paper, there was this question. Two friends were born in the year 2000. The probability that they have the same birth date is 1/2000, 2/365,
Wait, let me write the question. Two friends born in 2000, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the probability you should find?
Probability that they have the same birth date.
They have same birthday.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is option A is 1/2000,
Hmm.
B is 2/365.
3 by 265.
Yes, sir.
3 or 2 by 365.
2/365.
C option.
1/365.
Okay.
And the fourth one is 1/366.
Tell me, children.
Sir, can you please mention whether this is birthday or date?
Same birthday. Birthday means date or day. What is the difference in that?
It's like they were
No,
born in
day means
2000,
that
right?
They were
Tuesday,
born in the
Wednesday,
same
there are
day.
many, right?
Sir, it should be D, right?
It should be D, yes.
Yeah.
Because any day, if first it is having how many days? 366 days, right? And whichever you take that day, that will be what? That will be pakka, that day only is the birthday. Any one day we can take, no? If they ask different birthday, then what you'll ask? They have different birthday.
Then say it will be 2/366.
Na.
Sir, 365/366.
For different birthday means 365 days will be 365 will come, no? 1 minus 1 by 366.
Yeah, that one.
The 365 by 366. Okay, if they are not having same birthday. This is for same birthday. This is for different birthday. Understood, Javian?
Yes, sir.
Because they will have any two means you will take no all 365 days, any one day. Suppose one guy born on 1st January, right?
Yes, sir.
So other guy may be born 2 January, 3 January, who knows? So
Yes, sir.
all the 365 days can be the answer. 365 by 366. Now I is solving Rasul's sum over here. Rasul has sent something, some question here. Tell me, all of you children, what is the answer for this? In a family of 3 children, the probability of at least one boy.
7 by 8.
Okay. Anybody else? Praharshan, what is the answer for this? Chanchal?
Sir, how can there be 8, sir? Isn't it supposed to be 5?
Yeah, I didn't understand this question, sir.
See, they are asking
Sir,
the.
it should be 7 upon 8.
Acha, okay. See, question is in a family of 3 children. So one family is having 3 children over here. Okay, see 3 children. Okay. So in this family, it must be 2 boy or 3 boy. 3 boy, because at least they have given 1 boy. It may be 1 boy, 2 boy or 3 boy. Okay. This is the option they have given over here. Means if it is a 1 boy, then also fine. If it is 2 boy, then also is a fine. If it is 3 boy, then also is a fine. Okay. The first of all, you should find all the outcomes over here. Total outcome will be what? See, 2 boy or girl will be 2 outcome only, no? And power, how many children are required? 3. So 2 to
3,
the power 3 is how much?
8.
8. So total outcome is what? 8, right?
8. Yes, sir.
So how we are doing for head and tail coin part, the same way we do for boy and
Boy
girl
part.
also.
Okay, sir.
So 4 times boy you write and 4 times
And girl.
girl. Again 2 time boy, 2 time girl, 2 time boy, 2 time girl. Again boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. So 1 boy, where 1 boy is coming over here? 1 boy, 2 boy, 3 boy. So everything will come here, see? Except last one. All 3 girls will not be there.
Yes, sir.
So answer will be 7 by 8. Is clear, Ashul?
Yes, sir.
Any other question you are having with you? Javian, what the test what you have done? No, if you are having any doubt, you can just post me.
Yes, sir. I'm just seeing that. Enter the question in WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, fine. See, cards number 2 to 101 are placed in a box. A card is selected random from the box. What is the probability that the card selected is an odd number, which is not less than 70? Which is not less than 70.
Sir, I am getting 16 by 101.
16 by 101. Okay.
Sir,
One,
sir. Here 2 to 101, right?
2 to 101. Yes.
Yeah.
Rasul, you have sent of which chapter this is? Which chapter is this?
Sir, 4 by 25. Last one.
Rasul,
Yes, sir.
you have sent of which chapter you have sent this question?
Sir, like this is a random question.
Random question. Okay, fine.
Sir, this is probability only, right?
Not this one. The different question you have sent on WhatsApp. That I was checking here.
Okay.
This question, who has messaged anyone? D Samarth, you are saying 4 by 20 for this one or different
Yeah,
answer?
sir. For
D,
this one, 286.
4 by 25.
Yes, sir, I think so.
What is the probability that card selected has odd number which is not less than 70? The not less than 70 is coming from starting from 71, right?
Yeah.
71 to 99. Correct, no? 71, then 73 will come, dash, dash, dash. Total how many numbers will
70.
come?
Sorry, but till 101, sir, not 99.
Till 101.
Because 101 is also a odd number, right?
So if you see here, total how many numbers will come in this? 71 to 101?
16.
16 numbers will come.
Yeah.
The 16 divided by how many numbers will come? 100, right? So answer is
Yeah.
4 by 25.
Okay.
Is it clear to everyone, children? You
Yes,
can
sir.
see, if you don't know how to find 16, if you don't want to count this one, you can apply AP also to count, okay? AP also you can apply, or you can see also 70 to 100, how many numbers will come? 15. 70 to 100, 71 to 100, 15 will come, and 101 is also coming. So become 16. So 16 by 100, that is 4 by 25. Is it clear?
Sir, I just counted the total numbers and divided it by 2 and added 1 because
Achha.
101 was there.
Okay. So next part is one Javin has sent one question. Question number 9, Javin, right?
Yes, sir.
3 bulb. One question is 3 bulb, red, green and yellow. 3 bulb, red, green and yellow. Flash at interval of 80 second, 90 second and 110 seconds. Flash at 80 seconds, 90 seconds and 110 seconds. These bulbs are flashing in the interval of what? At the interval of 80 seconds, 90 seconds, 110 seconds. All three flash together at 8 a.m. All three flash together at the rate of 8 a.m. means 8 a.m. morning, okay? Then what time will the 3 bulb flash together again? What time did the 3 bulbs flash together again? So when I was teaching rational numbers, do you remember 2 things I told you, like how to find LCM and HCF, right? When to find LCM and when to find HCF.
Sir, after 132 minutes.
After 132 minutes, so what is the time after 132 minutes?
132 minutes means 60 plus 60, 120. Then it must be 10, 12. Yeah.
It must be 10, 12.
12. Yeah.
10, 12 AM or PM?
AM must be there, right? Your AM is.
So you have find LCM or HCF?
Sir, I got LCM.
LCM. See, when to find LCM, when to find HCF? Why you not find LCF, Samarth? Why it's LCM you found?
Yeah, HCF we cannot find it because this we have to find the next number after this.
Okay. So maximum number you can just, if you are getting any maximum thing you should find, right? So we have to
Yeah.
find LCM, we have to find, because multiples, where multiples is coming into picture. Where multiples is coming into picture, Javian, okay?
Yes, sir.
Multiples or maximum, if it is coming into picture, then you should find LCM. Like multiple of this only we are going to find, no? Like 8 multiple, next number what will come? Like multiples only, right?
Yes, sir.
And if you need to find factors and all, factors, or it's like minimum thing, then we have to use HCF.
HCF.
Okay. So when this will glow means if you find this LCM over here, you will get answer as what? 132 will come, Samarth?
Yes, sir. 132 minutes.
Yeah, sir.
132 minutes or seconds? Here they've given seconds.
132 minutes because it's
Sir, you have to
nearly
multiply it by 60, sir.
7920 seconds.
Acha, it's coming 7920 seconds, no? So the LCM of this is 7920 seconds you are getting, right? 7920 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
Then this you can convert into minutes, then convert to hours.
Yeah.
Fine. Understood, Javian?
Yes, sir.
Plus 132 minutes. Or you can add hours also. So this question 100% will come in board exam. This kind of question 100% will come. Remember, Javian. And only one thing, concept to try to understand here, that maximum or multiples will come into picture. So LCM you should find. And when you are finding factors or a minimum thing, list value or list number,
Then we have to find HCF.
like that. Because the factor will come lesser only. If you find the common in anything, common, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will come always small only, right?
Yes, sir.
So
So
maximum time that the traffic light question comes, right?
So that LCM only you should find, right?
Yeah, sir. The same.
And 90% of the question will be LCM part only.
Yes.
But don't consider LCM all the time. Sometimes you just apply this thing also, ki it is not HCF, no, like that. So any other question want to ask?
No, sir.
If you solve with different kind of questions, then only you'll get the doubts and all. Next one is, I'll ask the question
Sir,
then.
another one I got. According to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, 13915 is a
Wait,
composite.
Javin, wait. Rasul's question I have not this solved. No, 1 minute. I just forgot only.
Okay, sir.
After this, I'll just come to you. And in the meantime, you can send to me on WhatsApp, okay?
Sure, sir.
So Rasul's question is like, a chemist has one solution which is 50% acid. So chemist is there, which is having one solution in which 50% acid is there, okay? And second solution is there that is having 25% acid. So how much of each should be mixed? How much each should be mixed? Question is how much of each should be mixed to make 10 liters of 40% acid, 40% of acid solution they are asking. See, one solution is considering 50% acid, second solution considering 25% of acid. So how much of each should be mixed to make 10 liters? 10 liters of 40% acid solution. 10 liters of 40% acid solution. So options are 6 liter of 50% acid. Options are, first option is 6 liter of 50% acid and 4 liters of 25% acid. B option is 4 liters of 50% acid and 6 liters of 25% acid. C option is 3 liters of 50% acid and 2 liters of 25% acid. Last option is 2 liters of 50% acid and 3 liters of 25% acid. So who can solve this question? Solve this question. This is a question of, Rasul, this is a question of mixture and allegations. Mixtures and allegations. One question will come. This is like competitive examination. This type of question will asked mostly in competitive examination, like SSC, banking and all. Praharshan, Drishi,
Sir, it's answer C,
Adarsh,
sir.
Praharshan, Chanchal and Drishi,
Yes, sir.
on your cameras.
Sir, could you explain this question?
Samarth, your answer is C, you are saying. Samarth.
Yeah, sir, I just tried with the options. I think it's C.
See, Praharshan, what is telling? No, there are two kind of solution is there, okay? In first solution, whatever thing is, this 50% AC is there in first solution, okay? And second solution, 25% acid is there. So suppose this both should be mixed together, some from some part of this first solution and some part of second solution, okay? You are going to mix together. So here, how much of each solution be mixed to make 10 liters of 40% acid solution? Means we want how much? 10 liters of 40% acid solution. Means 40% acid should come. Means you should mix both the bottles in this one, and this should come what? 40% acid should be there. See, in first will be 50% acid, second will be 25% acid, okay? So here you have to make 40% acid, and with this should be what? 10 liters also. So 10 liters means out of 10 liters, how much liter you will mix for first solution? How much liter you will mix for second solution? So that this become 40% acid. Is it clear, Praharshan?
Yes.
The question is like that. Chanchal, you are getting this question? Hmm?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think it should be C.
Okay. How you have solved this C options and all? Samarth, you just checked by the answers only. Samarth?
Yeah, I checked by the answers, but I was doing it through process only. I will tell you the confirm answer in just a
Drishi,
minute.
how you have done this question?
Sir, in the first solution, if we take 10 liters, then 50%, then 5 liter will be acid and 5 liter will be water. And then in the second solution, 2.5 liter will be acid and 7.5 liter will be water. So if we have to take some acid from first solution, it should be less than or equal to 5 liter.
Yes.
And then in the second solution, it will be less than or equal to 2.5. So it should be C only.
Acha, in that way. If you want to solve, then how to solve? In that way, it's correct.
हेलो
हाँ बोलो.
डाउट समझा दीजिए ना सर.
क्लास में थे आदि, क्लास में थे. 9 बजे समझाएंगे ना डाउट. क्लास में आओगे तभी तक. हाँ हाँ 9 बजे आ जाना, या समझा देंगे तुमको. रुको 10 मिनट रुको, समझाते हैं. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ, if you want to solve, then what will come?
Sir, you can do it by linear equation in two variables, pair of linear equation.
Acha, means you are going to say कि 50% of x, like some acid you are doing,
Yeah,
going to do.
x by 2 plus y by 4 equals to 2 by 5 into 10.
What you're saying, x by 4.
No, x by 2 plus y by 4.
Wait, plus y. Why x by 2?
X by 2 because the solution is 50%.
Acha, 50% of x.
So
Right.
yeah, x into 50 by 100 equals to x into
We'll
1
go
by
like
2.
this completely only, because people will not understand x by 2, because see, first solution we're taking as x and second solution taking as y, right? So 50% of x means 50% of x means we are taking x from first solution.
Yeah.
And then we are taking 25% of y you can take, right? And
Yes.
if this one you are mixing, what you are getting here? 40% of
Sir, we want 40 by 100, right? 40 by 100 into 10.
50 40 by 100 into 10. X and y only should find. This is the first equation you can get. What you can write for from here? 50 by 100, it will come here 25 by 100. Okay, directly what you do, no?
X by 2 plus y by 4.
1 by 100 you can take common from both. So 50x plus 25y is equals to 400. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Children, can we write like this or not? 1 by 100 we have taken completely outside only. Rasul, it's clear?
Sir.
1 by 100 we have taken outside only. Actually 1 by 100 here also take. It's here also 1 by 100. We are taken cancel actually. Here also 1 by 100 will come only, right? So this will get cancelled both sides, correct?
Yes.
Then, so here it will come 50. Wait, I'll just do completely proper here. This is bracket close. Again, I can take 1 by 100. And here I can write 400. So this side, both sides 100 will cancel. Then we can write divide by 25 you can do everywhere. So here what will come? 2x plus y is equals to what will come? 8, right? No, 25 what है 200. 16 will come, right? This is the first equation. It's clear, children? Rasul, is clear. What is this?
Yes.
The first equation will be 2x plus y is equals to 16. How to get second equation, Samarth?
Then x plus y equals to 10.
X plus y, very good. X plus y is equal to 10 because both the solution will be should be 10 liters only, right?
Yes.
So this is second. So solving this both equation you can get easily. Subtract first minus second you do. 2x minus x is x and y will get cancel, and 16 minus 10 is 6. So x is equal to 6, right?
Yes.
X is equal to 6. So x means first solution is 6 only. So this is the first solution is 6, like this. The first
Yeah.
option is coming over here then.
Yeah.
Drishi?
Sir, actually, it will also come 3 liter and 2 liter. But sir, the sum will not be equal to 10 liters. So
Correct,
that's why
correct.
it was not there. But 6 and 4 are
Exactly.
correct.
10 liters should come
Yeah.
completely.
Yes.
Acha.
Sir, why should it be 10 liters? It's just 40% acid out of 10 liters now. So out of 10 liters, 60% should be water also.
No. What 60% is water is there, yes. 60% water should be there. But you should get 40% acid, no? How much of it should be mixed? Mixed they have given. Not all 10 liters are acid. Obviously 60% will be your this thing only, water, right? Drishi. Means if you are going
Yes,
to
sir.
if you are going to mix this thing, you can't going to pour from only acid from outside. Obviously it will come with water only, right? You can't separate first acid and water separately, then acid only will mix. Not like that. You should mix acid with water.
Sir, water with acid, or else the solution will blast out.
Um, so this way we can solve. Understood, no, Rasul, now? And
Yes, sir.
very much shortcut question is also there. Like this, very shortcut. Like this, we have read long back actually these questions to write in 2 lines only.
Yes, write it in 2 lines only.
Hmm. 2 lines only will be there. These questions and answers. Next, any other questions? Now Javian, you are just sent there. Mm,
Sir, I will just be back in a minute.
yeah, okay. Any doubt is there? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No,
I sent in WhatsApp, sir.
Actually, I've sent already. So,
Yes, sir.
you sent which question? 44th one.
Yes, sir. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic.
Acha, according to fundamental theory of arithmetic. So not according to, by anything you can just find, right? No.
Yes, sir, but
13195. According to fundamental theory of arithmetic. Fundamental theory of arithmetic. According to fundamental theory of arithmetic, this number is what? Question is prime number. Second one is composite number. Third one is neither prime nor composite. Fourth one is even number.
Sir, it seems to be a composite number.
Composite number.
Yeah, because we can directly find, as there
Yeah.
is one factor 5 is there at the last, so composite only.
Prime number is not possible.
No,
Neither
prime
prime
is
number
not
is not
possible.
possible. Even number is not there. And if they ask or not, fundamental theory of arithmetic, we can find by simple also, right? Javian,
yes, sir.
you left this question in exam.
Sir, it has to do any force, sir. So I left it.
Acha. So by name only we can just, this is only for namesake they have given the question.
Okay, sir.
Next questions,
But
Huh?
so from my side, it's done, sir. All out.
All doubt cleared.
Yes, sir.
Darshan, you are not getting doubt. Actually, you are not getting question paper only. Now, how will have doubt? Question paper only you won't get. Huh?
you don't have to rub it in.
Solving thing you are not having any this were not bought any model paper to solve the questions.
Sir, I
Only.
sent you the questions last time, right? The one I got.
Acha, that was your question examination question paper, right? You are having doubt, no? Something.
Yes.
Only 2-3 doubts were there. Hmm. Next question. Next question. I'll just take from this only. 1 minute. One card is well suffered. See now. 2 dice.
Sir, the second option is 5 by 36, right?
Hmm?
The second option is 5 by 36, right?
5 by 36. 5 by 36.
If that's it, then that's the answer. 5 by 36.
Okay, 5 by 36 are saying. The here answer is not there only, right?
Answer is there, right? What are you saying? I am never done.
Option B, so like it is not
Acha.
clear.
Okay, yeah, 5 by 36. All right.
The second one.
All right. 2 dice, one. Anyone else? All of you got the same answer? All of you got the same answer? Hmm. 2 dice, one blue and one gray are thrown at the same time. What is the probability that the sum of two numbers appear in the top of the dice is 8, right? Fine. See this question now. What is the probability that non-leap year has 53 Mondays? Non-leap year has 53 Mondays. What is the answer for this? Who left the meeting now? Chanchal and who left the meeting?
Sir, Adarsh.
Adarsh. What is the probability that non-leap year has 53 Mondays?
Sir, did you get my answer?
Answer, I think we have given, yeah, A option, 6 by 7.
No, not 6 by 7.
Then,
It's 1 by 7.
so B option, right?
Yeah. I am sending you the answer again.
Okay. So 1 by 7. See, you are having 366 days in a non-leap year, right? Leap year is, sorry. Leap year is what?
366 days.
365 days, right?
Yeah.
To see 365 days means, what is it? Non-leap has 53 Mondays. So if you divide this 365 by 7, what will come? 3 5s are 7 5s are 35. Then 2s are 14. 1 day is remaining, right? So out of this one day, it may be anything, right? Monday, Tuesday,
Yeah,
Wednesday,
Monday.
Thursday, Friday,
There are
Saturday,
7
Sunday.
possibilities.
So in one day, only all 7 possibilities are there, right? Understood, Javian?
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
they're asking Monday means any out of these 7 days, any one day will be Monday. So 1 by 7. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Drishi, you knew this answer before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then which chapter will do for the next class? Which chapter will practice?
Anyone who can.
AP is not coming, no? For board exam, AP is coming.
No. AP and quadratic are not there.
AP and quadratic are not there. Okay, fine. So which you practice the questions, make at least two questions at least, no, so that we'll clear the doubts. Drishi, you are not solving the questions, or you are solving not getting doubts? How is it?
Sir, I'm solving and checking if it's correct or not.
So no doubts at all, right? All
No,
questions.
sir.
Praharshan, you are solving everything, I think. All the subjects you are doing, right?
Yes.
In small quantities.
Yes.
Fine. Keep on solving the questions. If you are having doubt, ask. At least you try to make at least 40, 50 sums every day. Make 30, 40. Take 1 hour time every day. Spend 1 hour time, Javian.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.